The LRT-3 Lockring tool from Park Tool was designed and built to remove and install direct mount chainring lock rings found on some specialized Cannondale and FSA modular cranks. The LRT-3 fits lock rings with an outside diameter of 47 to 48 millimeters and works on both 4-notch lock rings like the FSA and Cannondale or the 8-notch lock rings found on specialized bikes. To remove your lock ring, you'll need either a 36mm wrench or the Park Tool TWB36 crowfoot and a 3/8 inch drive tool. Engage the LRT-3 on your lock ring and loosen by turning counterclockwise. Installing lock rings with the LRT-3 is just as easy. Begin by applying thread locker if required by your crank's manufacturer. Next, using the LRT-3, thread your lock ring clockwise onto your crank. By pairing the LRT-3 with the TWB36 crowfoot, you can use a torque wrench to tighten your lock ring to manufacturer specified torque. The LRT-3 lock ring tool from Park Tool.